attention. I will be going live tonight, but you must pay attention. Follow these instructions. Very simple. You see the notifications right there. Hey, pay attention. Pay attention. The notifications right there. Hit that notification to get the notification for my live stream tonight. Right here, right here. Right there. Right there, but you must pay attention. You must pay attention. Again, one more time. I will tell you my instructions one more time. Hit the notification right there. One more time. Hit the notification for my live stream tonight. I will be going live tonight. Now enjoy this pineapple.